Told you cartilage can't grow back after 50? Not exactly true.
After 50, cartilage turnover slows, but it doesn't stop. Studies show that high-dose PRP and bone marrow concentrate can calm the inflammation that destroys cartilage, improve joint lubrication, and signal cartilage cells to protect themselves. Think of it as disease modification, not magic. We're not growing a brand new joint, but we can preserve the one you still have. Your age doesn't define your biology, your strategy does. The right protocol can keep your joints functional longer and help you stay active, perhaps without surgery. Before you decide it's too late, find out what precision orthobiologic treatment can do for your knees, hips, or shoulders. Schedule your consultation today at Pain Experts. Stay active, stay mobile, stay powerful.